Welcome back, everyone. Today we're back at Spencer, North Carolina, and today they're having the train show over in this area. Train rides and motor car rides today. So let's get started and go check it out. This way. Here's one of the train layouts here at the show. It's got all the rides moving, the swings, double Ferris wheel, carousel, Thunderbolt. That's pretty cool there. And a little miniature train running around it. Very nice. Love that setup. Very nice bridge. I like that. Now it's going into the tunnel. to see. And it looks like Lindsay has found her little train collection right here. The Thomas the Tank Engine. Been to a lot of train shows, I've never seen this. Pretty cool. Oh yeah. Let's say I've never seen that before. That is one unique rail car. It's like a Southern F-unit. We're gonna go take a ride on one of those here in a little while. Yeah, it's quite a turnout today here at the museum. I think they're taking membership rides on this train right here in front. The private cars. And in the back shop there was one heck of a train show. And here is the roundhouse. Figured they'd have more equipment out than this, but unfortunately they don't. They do have the 6900 sitting right here though. But other than that, nothing really out. Like I thought it would be today. Here's at the locomotive they just ended up getting from the Aberdeen and Rockfish. I was really hoping that it would be out here on display today, but unfortunately it isn't. It's still in here in the back shop, in the roundhouse. I mean, being worked on, I guess. Unfortunately, I sure wished it was out. It looks like it's got a lot of work that needs to be done to it. I don't know if they'll ever run it again or not, but it sure would be nice if they get it back up in operation. I'd like to see it. Anyway, there's a little glimpse of it. But it does look like it needs a lot of work. Glad to see this out today. Beautiful sunlight, Southern boxcar, and the Clinchfield coal hopper. Very nice to see that out in this beautiful sunlight today. Sweet. Pretty cool to see that. And the 6133 passing by it. That was pretty cool. That's I've never seen. I like this. We're leaving the station. Different. You see out there, babe? See where you're going? Why not? They're blowing the horn at us too. Well, we're getting ready to do the membership train ride here at 1 o'clock. We'll ride those Southern private cars with the 6133. So it should be a pretty good little ride. Now here comes our train. We're hoping to ride that observation car right there.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you, thank you.
Where you like.
Hey, I like this. This is nice. Oh, thank you. You want to sit at the back so we can look out? Let's go to the back.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I'm back here. These seats move.
We're doing today, folks.
We're doing good. I like this.
This is so cool.
Sit down, grab you a seat. Wherever you'd like. I don't care. It don't matter where. You can sit over here. But yeah, this is really nice, isn't it, Lindsay? Got your flowers. Membership train. Got other trains pulling out of the station. Man, this is really nice. I like this.
Pretty neat.
Originated in Rutherford, New Jersey, and she's headed for Atlanta, Georgia.
Did not get water or you had snacks up front at the bar, you're welcome to come back and get some as we're moving.
Sounds good news to me.
I know y'all from Salisbury. Where y'all, everyone, Concord. Concord.
Spartanburg, South Carolina.
Charlotte, North
Okay.
Carolina.
Charlotte.
Rock Hill, South Carolina.
Rock Hill. Well, the furthest I've heard so far was Wisconsin today. You got Chicago, we had a Wisconsin.
That's the big West.
It's only going to be 2 night shots this year. We're going to spend a little bit more time on South End. Still do one run by up here at the crossing, because that seemed to be pretty good hit with some people. We will not be doing a run by on that line again. That's cluster.
Yeah, I was here last year.
So don't expect that one again. I think for this year we're going to try to do the crossing, go down to the south end and get the evening light, providing the weather lines up for us. And then we'll do some roundhouse stuff with that.
I did a little bit of lines and stuff for my marching band season.
I mean, it'll definitely be, it should be a Friday or Saturday night.
Sounds good.
Friday night, that means we'll have to leave.
I don't love.
Last year we did in July. I was here for that. Yep. I took some pictures. Pictures, moving videos.
We're just very spread thin that night. We're still getting our rhythm down, because I mean, we did the one with 542. We've done
4-2.
what else did we do? Well, no, we started with one with 6133, then we did 542.
Was that like a 2023 or 2020?
I think it was 23 or 24.
I think if I remember, I seen Rowan's video on that.
And then we did.
Wait a minute, everybody.
Last year. Coming back out tomorrow?
Yeah. 'Cause I know the freight train's running tomorrow.
Yep. It'll be 620.
620? You know when y'all putting that together?
It's sitting over there on the wall
Sitting over
right now.
There's that.
Ourselves back and forth.
That was that
That's
big
great.
horn that you could blow.
We even do the same thing for the mainline trains. main line meets the branch line.
Y'all notice when we change the horns at all? Really?
Sure do.
From what I can tell, 6133 still sounds the
Well,
same.
yeah, 33 is the same.
Is it 620 that's changed?
Yeah, I changed that one in a few days.
Matter of
I'm gonna
fact,
change it again in the morning. It's gonna be something different.
Yeah, matter of fact,
From what I've just been told, we got E38 coming in from Linwood now.
E38.
The local between Linwood and Charlotte.
Yeah, they run pretty
Well,
short.
that's where I'm from.
E38, E39.
My friends just told me it's getting ready to depart Linwood.
Now we're going down.
This is my first time. Right in the back.
Yeah.
There's something
First
about
time doing
trains
that.
magic. You don't know what to expect until you step on board one.
Cars 533.
5 car 133.
There's the motor cars.
We got some other cars. Of course, we got some rare speedsters. Those were old Fairmont boys. He is head and power.
Oh, yes, the CNOCS paint car.
Now they're 6900. Pride of the Southern Crescent herself. Yep, she's an E8. Built by EMD 1951. 4,000 gallon fuel tank.
Wave at him.
This here's the flue shop, which was made to make tubes for the steamers. Now she's an automobile museum, bumper to bumper. That's what they call it. Besides, it's a shed for automobiles of all areas. From the 1890s all the way up through the
Check out the Lionel shop. Lionel trains inside. Fire department. Funeral service. Movie theater. Southern.
find everything in the scavenger hunt? Read on the little sign there.
An actual bowling alley. The boost screen. Love this bowling alley. finally got back from the train show at Spencer today. We purchased the Y6B Norfolk and Western. It's got a sound system in it and everything. Engine 2200. And I made a little test track here just to test it out right now, because we are in the process of building another N-scale train layout. But yeah, it was a great show today. We had motor car rides. We got to ride in the private observation car and rode motor cars. Seen lots of train layouts. My daughter really enjoyed the Thomas the Tank Engine layout that was there as well today. So yeah, just a great show, great turnout, and hope a lot of you were there. And until next time, thanks so much for watching.